This is the real Avid pistol tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel picked scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.